So what do check marks mean on Messenger? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimo, and in today's guide video I will discuss to you about the check marks or the seen messages on Messenger. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now there are basically three types of check marks on the Messenger application. The first is the sent one, the second is the delivered one, and the third is the seen one. So let me describe to you what each of those means. But before we get to that, make sure to update the Messenger app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Messenger, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the application, now I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So first of all, let me just go ahead and then show you one of the first check marks that I've sent, or the first kind of check marks that you want to see. For example, when I send this message, you can see this little circular dot with a check mark in between, which doesn't have any type of shade, and it basically only has an outline. This type of check marks mean that the message has been sent but has not yet been delivered to the receiver's phone, which means that either the receiver's Facebook account could actually be logged out, or either they could not have the notifications turned on, or it could also mean that they have the internet connection turned off. It means that that person does simply not know that you have sent them a particular message. It has been sent from your side, but it has not been received from their part, as they have never went ahead and then opened the Messenger or seen your messages. The other type of Messenger check mark is also similar, but it has a kind of a similar shade within it. For example, if you see this one is a little bit different compared to the previous one which I showed you, because it basically has a blue shade. Now this means that I have sent a message, that person has their Messenger logged in, that person also has a notifications turned on, they are connected to the internet as well. They might have already seen the messages from the notification section. The only problem with this is that they have not went within that particular chat thread, which means that the message has already been delivered to their phone. Now remember that in our previous case, we sent a message but it wasn't delivered to their device or their account. Now in this case, with this shade mark, it means that you have sent a message, it has been delivered to them. They might or might not have actually seen it because they're basically online, but they have not completely opened up the chat thread. And the final type of check mark is basically not a check mark but a seen icon, which means that you can see this particular message over here has their profile picture at the bottom right next to that particular message. And that is basically what that means, is that the person has seen that message by going into that particular chat thread and has chose to ignore or not reply to you. And these are simply what some of the check marks mean on Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.